Your labs are normal, but here's what normal labs don't tell you. Part 3. A normal range is actually not the same thing as your personal normal. Most lab reference ranges are built from groups of people that are generally considered healthy. And labs then define the middle range of that sample population as normal, which is useful, but it also means that these ranges are statistical tools. They're not perfect definitions of health. And historically, they have not always captured every body equally, looking at variables like age and sex and pregnancy and ethnicity, ancestry, muscle mass, genetics, environment, etc. For example, hemoglobin may be normal around 12 to 15 in women and 14 to 17 in men. But if your baseline is 14 and now it's at 12, while you're experiencing something like fatigue or heavy bleeding or shortness of breath, that might still be considered normal. Creatinine, another example, may be normal around 0.6 to 1.1 in women. But if your baseline is 0.6 and now it's at 1.1, which is the upper limit, it might still be impacting your kidneys before symptoms start showing up. It gets even more complicated because populations can naturally have different patterns. For example, people with African, Middle Eastern, or Caribbean ancestry can genetically have lower neutrophil counts as part of their immune system. That happens without having a higher risk of infection. So this is another reason why one lab result is not the full story. We need to ask, what is your baseline? How has it changed? Is it trending up or down? Does it match what you're truly experiencing? Because normal for the general population is not always normal for the patient. Watch parts 1 and 2 if you haven't, and follow for part 4.